let's execute get merge command. So this get merge, it merges multiple HDFS files into one local file. For example, in we have one directory Sakib. Inside Sakib, there is dummy data.txt and there is text file.txt. Let's merge these two files into one file, but that will be downloaded to local system. Okay, now how to do this? Let's type hdfs dfs dash get merge. So this is the command get merge that will merge multiple hdfs files into one local file. Okay, so first we need to give the path of directory. So saqrb is my directory where we have got these two files. So both of these files will be merged, and then we have to give the path of our local system. Okay, so we will copy this to C folder, C, and let's name it merge.txt. And okay, there is one more thing I forgot. So after get merge, there is one the command dash nl. So what is this nl? So this is it adds new line after file. That means first dummy data dot text, whatever text is inside that dummy data dot text. After that, new line will be added, and then whatever data is in text file, that will be displayed. Okay, let's press enter. Okay, let's check if it will give us error or it will get executed. Okay, so we are not getting any error. That means it is executed correctly. Now let's go to our C drive and check if this merge.txt is there. Okay, let's go to C drive. This is my C drive and check here. We have got merge.txt file, and okay, hi, this is my dummy data file, and this text file is created by me. So this was the data inside dummy file, and this was data inside text file. So we have merged both of these files, and okay, we because we use another command dash nl, so that means new line. So uh, uh, between the data of dummy data.txt and text file, there is new line. So hi, this is my dummy data file. After that, new line, and this text file is created by me. Okay, so this was get merge. Next command is append_to_file. So it appends local file content to HDFS file. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so we have one data.txt. Okay, let's first check what is inside data.txt. So HDFS dfs dash ls and slash data.txt. Okay, okay, sorry. Uh, Okay, so but we need to check data inside. So for that we will use cat dash cat. Okay, we will use cat and we'll check whatever data is inside data.txt. Okay, so there is some data is there. Okay, next is we have downloaded this merge.txt. Let's append this file to our data.txt. Okay, now how to do this? Okay, let's try it. Okay, hdfs dfs dash hyphen append to file, append, t is capital, to file, f is capital, and then first we need to give this location of our source file. Okay, so this is our source file. Then we need to give location of our HDFS file. So our HDFS file is data.txt. Let's press enter. Okay, so correctly appended. Now let's check the content of data.txt. Okay, let's check the content of data.txt.